we'll do one last one here this evening. I might get a couple more out. So this is an HP Deskjet 2050 printer scanner copier. So again, mostly plastic. Mostly plastic, a little bit of steel, a little bit of circuitry, tiny bit of gold is what we expect to find in this. Okay, first circuit board. Tactile switches and curving cable. That's going to have the print at the okay, glass panel. Looks like this one's going to come out easily. Pretty easily. I'm back. There's our scan assembly, the plastic. Okey-dokey. This one seems to have a little less in it than the last one did. There's your printer cartridges, which will have a little bit of gold flashing on them. Oh man. Nope, got ink all over me that time, that's for sure. This must be hemorrhaging ink. I'm gonna hit the bottom. Yeah, it must have been what I did. Yeah, well, that little soap won't take care of. Yeah, I know I could have avoided this by wearing gloves, but you know what? I don't like wearing gloves all the time. Yes! You're gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait. We got little gold foils here again. Screwdriver. This one's got another of these nice silver, or not silver, nice steel bars here. Different diameter on that one. Okay. That can go into steel. I need to get my steel bucket swapped out again. That's primarily plastic. One more screw in here. Screw way down in here. One more way back in there. Wires in here. Just can't see where they're going to. Another small circuit board over here. Oh, there's two screws back here. And this is probably the ink overflow again. Hopefully I'm not getting ink all over my face, because I can tell I've got it all over my hands. Oh, there's no circle board there. There's one there. There we go. So the rest of that is plastic. Plastic. Found a hairpin in one. Now I found a popsicle stick in one. Okay, so this little assembly, we've got a motor on here, and the steel is wrapped in rubber again, so we're going to go ahead and toss it into the store recovery. No reason to go into that. So we've got two little motors here. Those over there. Sensors. This looks like our logic board, VGA, a couple chips, gold pins in that connector, some copper spools. Nothing really to write home about otherwise. This has our gold foils on it. These will have silver foils at the end. Again, real silver or some alloy, don't know. But I'd say a fair chance that it's actually silver, given that it's a really good contact metal. And these are very thin films, so not talking about using a much in terms of quantity here. Okay, another sensor. I think that does it for our wire. Another sensor there. Brassing piece. This is our tactile switches. Then we'll go in here and get this guy out, which will have another little motor in here. Plastic. And then we've got this board here. There's all our gold flashing on this one. I'm not even going to bother going in. I know that this is going to be some kind of a light, but the last couple I've tried to look at have not been very I think this is what it is, I believe, is it's a fiber optic. So you've got a LED down here on the end of this board somewhere, right here, and it's just shining the light down through here. That's all it is. Just a fiber optic. That now makes sense. Voltmeter can go over there, and the rest of this can go into recovery. And we've got the foils on here. We'll see if these come off better than the last ones did for me. Yeah, this one seems like it's coming off a little better. Ink. Yeah, we got those off at least. Okay, that's it for that one. Have a good one, guys.